Test, test, test. Oh man, hold on. See if you can recover. Ah, okay, we can recover. Nice. Welcome. Welcome to the AI community where we're going to talk about AI for the next 50 minutes. How dope is that going to be? Talking about AI. What are the best AI tools? Got a lot of people coming on. What's the best way to take advantage of AI? I think we'll do this because a lot of people like to see. Let's take this. Put this here for how to use AI. How to use AI. I think it's like how to learn AI. I think that's going to be the main thing right there. So it's got to be a little more prominent. I think more this is actually going to be a separate slide. So let me actually take this, add a page. Yeah, nice and big. We could take this, squeeze it over. I'm very visual. And then here, the main questions is like, let's align this to the left. It's mainly like, is it learn AI or is it like best AI tools? AI, what are, I think, AI agents? How AI courses? And I think that's pretty good. What's up, Solo? We're talking about how to learn AI the best way and what is AI, how to learn it, how to use AI in your work, in your business at the end of the day so that you guys can take advantage of AI, use it so that you can pretty much start a business. At the end of the day, I think that's mostly what everyone wants to learn is how to use AI in their business, how to get more leads, how to get more sales, all that fun stuff. Hopefully everyone's having a blessed day. We are live. We're talking about how to learn AI. What are the best ways? What are the courses? The best AI tools that are out there? What are this thing called AI agents? Do I need to learn it? And the answer is yes. These are going to be some of the best AI tools and processes so that you can stay up to date with AI and use them. Nice. Get a little fresh air. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. So we could go through some of the best AI tools from this. I think that's what's going to be the biggest question right now is like people are saying, hey, what are the best AI tools that I need to learn? Is it just ChatGPT? Am I just one prompt away from automating my work or my business? Basically, it's like, nope, there are much better tools out there that you need to learn and master. There's make.com, there's Go High Level. I'm sorry, there's make.com, there's NAN. There's a lot of great AI tools out there that's going to help you work smarter, not harder. So if you're looking to leverage AI in your business or career, you come to the right place. My name is Jonathan. I have an AI community that teaches AI to everyone. We're actually global. We had some students in Jamaica sign up. It's actually really dope. So the top 10 best AI tools that are out there, there's of course ChatGPT, there's Perplexity. Well, the top three is really ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Mistral. Done, period. All the other ones, Perplexity is actually no longer going to be what a main like tool is basically. I'm just gonna full screen this bad boy. So yeah, I mean DeepSeek is probably the best for now copywriting. It's better than Claude. And let's see if I can just make that look a little bit better. Let's just move this over here. I think that is going to work. But yeah, those are the best AI tools right there. You're not just prompt engineering. The real next key is really learning how to build custom GPTs using ChatGPT. That's going to be the best ones right there. Once you learn ChatGPT, that is going to change. I mean, prompt engineering, also custom GPTs, that's really going to help you grow your business or use AI in your business so that you can either automate it, make more money, all that fun stuff. So actually, God, okay, trying to get Canva to work. Let's just do that. That looks good. So yeah, we've got, if you want to learn how to use AI, you're going to start with the top best AI chatbot tools. That's ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Mistral. Those are the top three. No, there's nothing else after that. I'm not mentioning any other ones. There's like, yeah, Grok and Claude and Gemini and all these other ones. You don't need those. If you master those top three AI tools, that's all you need to actually use in your business and use to work smarter, not harder, to get more done in a day than most do in a week. That's the real power of it. There's a bunch of other AI tools that from AI automation. Now, if we talk about, actually, we got to add automation to this. Let's add AI automation. Let's also add AI chatbots and AI voice agents. Those are like the main things people really want to talk about. So let's bring that a little bit in so you can see all of it. I mean, do we need one list? Yeah, we just need one list, one master list. It's going to be the main thing. Then put that right there. All right, so let's go to full screen this bad boy. Nice, and present. And just make this full screen. Much better. Trying to make that look a little better. I think if I do that, little tweaks. But yeah, so if we break this down of like what you need to do to learn AI, Nomad says, "What's up, my ninja? Let's go. I still have to book my consultation with you." Shout out to Nomad. Nomad is in the AI community. And when you join the AI community, you get a 30-minute free one-on-one AI strategy call with me. I just literally did 2 sessions today, back to back. We're gonna know that we're going to go over those 30 minutes. I'm going to over deliver as far as what are the best to basically understand what are your goals in learning AI. We have people that want to start a business. We have people that want to just teach AI in their community. And so that's where basically once you come in, we're going to give you all the resources you need to learn AI at your work and your business. Very simple. We also have an amazing supportive community that everyone is really has the same goals. They're really looking to help each other, take advantage of AI. So you don't even have to be an expert. It's just really surrounding yourself with the right group of people to take you to that next level at the end of the day. Your net worth is your network, as they say, which is kind of funny. So we got some great AI questions. What's the difference between a LLM and an agent? Great question. Actually, that's a solid question. I will answer the questions only if you follow. If you follow the TikTok profile, so just go to my TikTok profile, click follow, and then I'll be able to answer your questions. Thank you, Abdul. Abdul followed. Kurd followed. Change My Mind followed. Yes, if you follow, then I will answer all of your AI questions. I do not gatekeep. I will tell you exactly how to use AI, how to take advantage of it. I don't gatekeep on this channel, so I will tell you all the secrets. Cool. Okay, so basically the first question says, what's the difference between an LLM and an agent? And basically the difference between that is a large language model is a pre-programmed chatbot that has some specific knowledge and maybe some tools that then you can ask it a question. It's going to search this database for the answer. Their LLMs are just very fast. If you've ever seen like a text auto predictor where you're writing a sentence and it tries to predict the words that you're trying to say in the sentence, that's all large language models do. They're just trying to statistically predict what is the next letter or word based on a pre-programmed database of patterns. That's all they are, basically. They don't think, they don't reason, they don't do any critical thinking. They're not going to be the path towards people getting replaced by it. An agent is completely different. An AI agent is basically now you give this little, we'll call it an AI agent. You're going to give it a brain, which is a large language model, and then you're going to give it tools, and then you give it a goal. So AI agents have 3 things: a goal, they have a large language model as a brain, and then they have a set of tools. It could be a calendar, it could be an API to Wikipedia, it could be a browser, for example. So you give it a goal such as like, I want you to order pizza online, and it's going to use those tools to try and figure out, okay, how can I accomplish this goal completely automatically? So that's the difference between a large language model and an agent. An agent is able to execute a goal with a set of tools completely autonomously. N8N is the only one that, there's also browser use that really are the top two tools to help you build AI agents. If you want to learn how to build AI agents, the software is called N as in Nancy, the number 8, and N as in Nancy, N8N. We have courses on all of this inside our AI community. So if you're looking to take it to the next level, I have a whole course community, everything that you want. You could binge it for like Netflix, and it has a free 7-day trial, so you can get started with link in bio. Great. Put your AI questions in the chat. You do have to be a follower, and once you follow, I will answer your AI questions. Steve says, why not use AI to make your slides? Good question, because not everything needs to be done with AI, like even doing lives. If I just need to quickly whip it up. So it's really knowing what are the best AI tools out there and the difference between should I use AI, should I not, out there, for example, because once, let's say, for example, like Gamma. I don't need to use Gamma for like all my presentations. Canva is quick, fast, and easy. So it just depends on your skill set to actually execute. Jess says, can you go over the reinforcement learning algorithms used in DeepSeek? Sorry, too advanced for a lot of what we're trying to come here. At the end of the day, just know that the top 3 AI large language model tools that you're going to be using day in, day out is ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Mistral. That's it. If I didn't mention it, it's not worth mentioning for a specific reason. So great questions. Appreciate all the followers. Johnny, welcome to the AI family. On this channel, I talk about how to use AI at your work and your business to automate your work so that you can work smarter, not harder. Change my mind says, what's the best AI app? The best one are top 3: ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Mistral. Those are the only 3 ones that you need to use per se. Now there are a bunch of other ones. That's your daily, we'll call it your daily drivers. You're not going to just depend on one, but those are your daily drivers that you're going to go to continue to do some work or project that you're working on. You're also going to be using anywhere from 5 to 10 AI specialized apps. That's totally different. An AI specialized app is an app that's specifically tailored for a specific task. For example, if you do copywriting or marketing, blog writing, you're going to use Jasper AI, which is way better than ChatGPT for that specific task. So just know that there's an AI tool out there that's specifically for video editing, for writing code, for basically building apps. There's an AI that out there that can really help you. So welcome everyone. So please follow and I will answer your questions. You can put any of your AI questions in the chat and we will get through them. Welcome, welcome, welcome. $sign says, can you use an AI agent to manage a Shopify store account? No. Basically, and he followed. I appreciate that, my $sign. Basically, you're going to use AI chatbots on your website so that you could guide customers towards you picking the right product or service, for example, like a 24/7 sales rep. Also in customer support to answer any questions about your Shopify store, or you can use the specific AI tools for your email marketing and also for your analytics so that you could optimize it. It's really going to come down to your copywriting too. So you're going to use AI to help you improve your ads, the copy, the offers, the pricing, stuff like that. Let's see. Kurd says, I'm not a coder. Will I be able to understand AI? Yes, we have a full AI Academy course that teaches you how to use AI completely for beginners. We don't go into coding. We don't go into even apps that build apps for code. This is just for people that want to use the right AI tools, not just ChatGPT. There's like, we go through make.com, we go through Notion, we go to ChatGPT. We're also going to have N8N and much other courses. We're going to teach you how to build chatbots, how to do prompt engineering, how to build AI automation and assistance, and also digital marketing is inside the AI Academy. Free 7-day trial. Link is in bio. Awesome. Good to see everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day. Happy Friday, each and every one of you. John says, building a land graph app with soup base as memory, want to switch to knowledge graph. Sorry, it's a little more expertise that's out there. You want to look at more AI influencers that talk more about coding with AI. Sorry. I just teach people how to use everyday apps so that they can automate their job and their business, which is nice, but I appreciate it. Singapore. Yo, Kuro from Singapore. Good to see you. Thank you for sharing your knowledge so generously. Yes, on this channel, this is the best AI channel where you ask your AI questions. I will show you the best tools, how to automate them, how to build chatbots, and how to build AI agents so that you can, at the end of the day, stay competitive. Because if you don't have AI skills, you will be replaced by someone with AI skills. It's different than just saying like someone, like you're never going to get replaced by AI. But if you're in competition for a job, or if you're in competition in a business, if that person or that business is using AI, they will crush you. So that's why I'm trying to bring as much video or education and training so that you know how to use AI, take full advantage of it. This is more than just ChatGPT. This is prompt engineering. This is AI automation using make.com, how to build AI agents using N8N, how to build chatbots, how to build AI voice agents. We have courses on all of these topics inside the AI community with a free 7-day trial. You can't beat that. Great question. So yes, the way this channel works is if you subscribe to the TikTok channel, I will answer your AI questions and show you the best tools to help you. Dem says, in DeepSeek and Perplexity, is DeepSeek and Perplexity the best academic AI tool? That is such a good question. So great question. We actually, in a few episodes back, I go live twice a day, every day at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and also during lunch, but guarantee every single day, 7 days a week, 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time is when I go live. We did a demo 2 nights ago about using the deep research feature for ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Perplexity, and also MIT's version of Storm. The best one was DeepSeek, honestly, and Perplexity was kind of good as well there too. So as far as an academic research, I would hands down say DeepSeek was the gold standard. Perplexity came second best, but think of it more as not just depending on one. If you use both, the way I like the analogy, this is a really good analogy, is if you just use one AI tool to accomplish a task, that's like going to Google and just saying, I know everything about this topic because I just read the first page, versus someone who read a couple or the top 3 or top 3 search results. That's like using the answers from different AI tools when you ask them a question. That's how basically you're going to get, each AI tool is going to give you a little piece of the pie, what I like to say. So welcome. Kurt says, thank you. Appreciate each and every one of you. If you follow this channel, I will answer all of your AI questions. I do not gatekeep. I'll tell you the best of the best on how to take advantage of AI in your work and your business. Welcome, everyone. Happy Friday. Appreciate it. Nomad says, with that consultation, can we discuss my goals with AI and how to get there with courses? 100%. So with that, if you sign up for the free 7-day trial of the AI Academy, or it's basically the AI community, we have courses. You get a 30-minute one-on-one with me where I'm going to find out what are your AI goals, and then I'm going to show you the best strategy and resources with not just my courses but other resources to help you accomplish those goals. Every month we're trying to add courses to the community. We just launched, honestly, this month, so every month we are already adding more courses so that you guys could stay up to date. So 100% look out for that calendar book. I literally just did 2 Zoom calls today with 2 new members, and we deep dived on basically what are the goals, to give them a whole rundown as far as what are the best AI tools so that they could take full advantage of AI. So awesome. Welcome, everyone. Good questions. Kuro says, are there any tools that can create corporate training videos with just scripts? Yes, that's going to be HeyGen, HeyGen. HeyGen is the best tool to build a clone or an avatar of, it could be you, or they have already people like preloaded in there. You upload a script, and if you want a really good voice, you're going to use 11 Labs. But if you want just you basically have to use 11 Labs and also HeyGen. HeyGen does the corporate training video with the person, and then 11 Lab is going to do the voice of that. So partner together, you could create corporate training videos with just scripts, and the scripts are going to be done with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Mistral, any one of those. We teach you how to do that inside the course. Next week, we're going to be having the HeyGen course that's going to come out, so we show you exactly how to create AI digital clones of yourself. Appreciate all the follows. If you follow, then I will. Good to see you, Brother Vince. Always good to see you, Brother Vince. So if you follow, I will answer your AI questions. Welcome to the AI and Automation Show. I show you how to take advantage of AI at work and in your business. Mikey has a great question. How much coding understanding is necessary with, let's say, N8N? Very little, for example. But I would, before you touch N8N, we have a Make.com, an AI assistant course that teaches you how to build workflows using Make.com. I would learn Make.com and then I would go into N8N. It's not so much if there's the differences between if there's coding experience or not. It's more of the understanding of how to take a goal or a task and then build that in a workflow, a step-by-step, a logical process with the right tools so that it can execute that task. N8N has a higher learning curve. We're gonna have a course on N8N released next month. Actually, in a few, actually probably in less than 3 weeks, we're gonna have a whole deep dive on N8N. And so I recommend right now going into the AI Academy, AI community. There's a free 7-day trial. You could start learning Make.com. It's a 4-hour course completely. You could just get in there, start learning. And then what I recommend from there, you'll have the skill set in how to use low code tools to then go and tackle N8N. That's the best basically progression that I would go from there. We got Dr. T in the house. He's like, it was fire and would do it again. Dr. T is inside the AI community. He's already taken advantage of the courses, the resources, the one-on-one guidance to become an AI expert and use AI in his business and community. So we have a lot of members that are in the community on the streams. Appreciate each and every one of you. Happy Friday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeti says, is it free? It's a free 7-day trial, and then it's either $49 a month, or you could save 40% and buy the annual plan. Mostly everyone just goes for the annual plan because after 50 users, we're already halfway there. I'm going to be raising the price. So that's why this is going to be the cheapest that it will ever be. Highly recommend just sign up. Free 7-day trial. You get access to everything, all the courses, the community. We have twice a week open office hours, and we have a networking event, which we've done every Friday so that you can meet other entrepreneurs. This community is for people that want to take advantage of AI, learn how to use AI in their work and their business so that they can either start a business or they can learn the most valuable skill set around. Cool Gaylor says, what's the best AI tool for Excel? Great question. There are actually ChatGPT plugins with Excel that you can use. Not going to lie, you want to move to Google Sheets because then from Google Sheets, they have plugins that you can use for ChatGPT, for AI chatbots. When you sign up, if you sign up with the link in bio, you'll get the top 100 AI tool list completely for free if you join the email newsletter. It's completely free, link in bio, and you get to get one of the first giveaways. My top 100 AI tools in there is top AI tools for Excel and Google Sheets. So you could there's about 6 of them in there. So you can sign up and find out what are the best AI tools, all completely for free from there. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Hope you guys are amazing. Mikey says, thank you, bro. He says, what's it called? It's called the AI. So simpletechskills.com. When you sign up with the email, you'll get the invite for also the AI. I just call it AI community at the end of the day. It has courses, resources, and twice a week office hours for support to help you take full advantage of AI, to learn at the end of the day. Everything is designed for beginners with zero experience or coding experience. There's no coding. We don't touch coding or software or apps in the community. We just use the best tools to help people with, it could be digital marketing, it could be productivity, it could be writing a lot of our members are actually writing books. For example, we got Brother Vince, who's a member who's already written 15 books using AI. And so those are the type of things that you get to do if you learn the right AI skills. KY says, I want to join for the year. Where can I access it? So real quickly, super simple. If you go to simpletechskills.com, simpletechskills.com is the website. Oops, there we go. Simple Tech Skills. If you go down right below, it says how to join the AI community. There's a link. And when you click on that link, you could join. It's a free 7-day trial. You get access to everything, the office hours, all the courses. You also get an exclusive 30-minute one-on-one with me where I'm going to find out what are your AI goals, and then I'm going to show you the best resources to help you take advantage. I appreciate Dr. T for sharing the live. He's like, share, share, share. John's on. We're about to learn more AI. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So that's how you could go. For Kai, you could go to simpletechskills.com and then you could join. It's completely free for the 7 days. And then after the year price, I mean, it comes down to, I think, $28 a month for the best AI education and training courses, resources. That's the cheapest it will be all year. Mikey says, Poppy AI is the best. I use it to create my Fiverr videos, YouTube, and Insta. Nice. Poppy is great. There's also Kling, Kling, and there's also Hailou, Hailou. And so from there, let me just do this here real quick, just to make it very easy for everyone. simpletechskills.com, just to make that a little easier while I answer everyone's questions. Nice. And then we can jam with this. We're jamming. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope everyone's having a beautiful Friday. Look at that. Much better. simpletechskills.com. Nice. So yes, put your AI questions in the chat and I will answer your AI questions to help you guys take the most out of AI. I do not gatekeep here. Kling, thank you so much for the comment. He says, good info host. I'm here to support you guys. KY says, you're amazing. Thank you so much, Jonathan. No, you guys ask the questions. I'm here to help you guys take advantage of AI at the end of the day. So there's so much that AI offers, which is great. Let's see. Questions. Yep. If you guys follow, I will answer your questions. King says it's worth the money. I mean, you guys are really the amazing community that makes this happening. Balkoth says, what's the best AI tools for writing web copy and ads copy? Great question, because we're going to have a digital marketing course that's going to release next week. We're always adding new courses to the AI community based on our members' feedbacks. One of the biggest feedbacks is how to use AI for your marketing, especially for copywriting. For people that don't know, copywriting is the text on the ads, in your content, on your website, in your lead magnet, in your email marketing, and your sales page. So for that, I highly recommend, honestly, DeepSeek. DeepSeek is the best. I used to use ChatGPT for all my copywriting, but I had ChatGPT and a custom GPT that was built just for copywriting. Plus, if you're a member of the community, you're going to get that custom GPT on my best copywriting custom GPT for free. Then now I use DeepSeek. DeepSeek, man, is, if you prompt it correctly, it's so good as far as for writing sales copy for the website, for your emails, for your paid ad campaigns, for your hooks, for your content. So that's the best one that I recommend. And best part is DeepSeek is completely free, which is awesome. Appreciate each and one of you sharing. Yes, welcome to the AI show. Ask your AI questions. We will help you take advantage of what are the best AI tools out there, how to use AI automation, how to create AI content, also for your questions. Kevin says, hello, Jonathan. Good to see you, Kevin. Hope you're having a blessed day. I miss you, Kevin. I saw the comment. So it's so great to have you. I'm now going live. If you guys don't know, I go live twice a day. For sure, every day at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if I can with my schedule, because I'm also with the community, I'll try and go live in the afternoon, like roughly what I'm doing right now. So I have about 15 minutes until my next one-on-one with my next client in the AI community. So please take advantage. Also, what's the best AI tool? Your questions, please, highly recommend. Brother Vince says, awesome group of super skilled professionals working to help any way we can. Yes. Brother Vince could have said it better. Dr. T says, what's the difference between AI automation and AI agents? Excellent question. Such a good question. So, an AI automation is a predefined workflow path. So, for example, you have a set of tools and then you're connecting them together to accomplish some tasks. For example, like creating social media content, like creating an Instagram post. You would then have one little GPT write the script, one little GPT or one little AI assistant create the images. You're going to tie them together using make.com. And then from that, you're going to then have that then post on social media, for example. So that's a predefined step by step. Step 1, create the script. Step 2, create the image. Step 3, upload online. So AI automation is, rather than doing that process over and over and over manually, you're going to automate it using make.com. If you, for advanced levels, you could use N8N, but make.com is more than enough. I don't recommend Zapier because Zapier is pretty much outdated as far as they never really upgraded. Let's put it this way. It's very expensive, but it's also very beginner friendly, but you're going to want to build some really cool stuff. So might as well just learn make.com. I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I just recommend the best. Now, the difference between an automation, which is a predefined workflow, versus an agent. An AI agent has 3 components. Component number 1, it has a brain. A brain could be any large language model, such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or those are the main ones, or even Claude, for example. It really doesn't matter. You could change the brain out. Second, it has some memory. The memory is usually some database like Airtable or ClickUp. And the third part is tools. It's really the tools that can make or break a AI agent. That could be access to your calendar. It could be access to an API to Wikipedia, for example. It could also be an API or a connection to send and receive Slack or not just Slack, but let's say, for example, like WhatsApp, Slack, email notifications. So it has a set of tools. Thank you, Smokey, for sharing the live. I appreciate each and every one of you. So an AI agent is different because you give it, let's summarize it, three elements. It has a brain, large language model. It has tools such as API to a calendar or a calculator, or an API to, say, for example, the stock market to like pull recent information. But most importantly, it has a goal. A goal is the only thing that you give it a task, or you're like, hey, I want you to order a pizza on a website, for example. So then that AI agent does not have a predefined workflow. So it has to figure out, using its tools, how to loop through in a feedback loop to accomplish that specific task. So to summarize the difference between AI automation and AI agents, one has a predefined workflow, which is AI automation, and AI agents do not have a predefined workflow, but have a set of tools and a goal and a brain, basically. So great question, Dr. T. If you guys follow, I will answer your AI questions. I got about 12 minutes left, so please answer your AI questions. Highly recommend them. Austin, welcome, Austin, brand new face of the community. Austin says, I feel like the hardest part for me is getting organized enough to help the agent. Yes. So there's a whole productivity side to just how to work digitally online. In one of the courses that we teach is actually Notion. Notion is actually the best digital notebook tool that allows you to basically organize your notes, your resources, everything. So when it's time to either build an AI chatbot or an AI agent, you have all the resources that you need to build it efficiently. So highly recommend Notion is for staying organized. And funny enough, we have a course. It's a 2-hour course on Notion. You could sign up, free 7-day trial at simpletechskills.com, and start learning Notion. Next month, we'll teach you how to build AI agents. This month, we're teaching how to build AI chatbots, which segues into Kayanzi question. Thank you for the follow. What is AI chatbots? Great question. An AI chatbot is actually show you if you go to my website, simpletechskills.com. In the lower right hand corner right here, so if I could just zoom in so you guys can see, that is an AI chatbot. So this chatbot lives on my website. He's programmed to be a sales rep to answer any questions. So if you think about time saving, I used to get 20 emails a day of like, what's the price? Do you do one-on-one coaching? Do you do sponsorships? Do you, how do I get the free newsletter? 20 emails a day about the questions. I now get 0 support email questions because my AI chatbot is working 24/7 to answer questions for me. So that's a huge time saving. So we teach you how to build AI chatbots. Oops, 10 more minutes left. We teach you how to build AI chatbots inside the community course. You don't need coding skills, and you can build a chatbot in less than 10 minutes, like as far as the AI tools that we teach you. So that's where I highly recommend AI chatbots are incredible. You're going to use them for your website to help. Say, for example, one of the viewers was talking about how do I use AI for my Shopify store, and that's where you're going to put an AI chatbot on that website so that that chatbot can answer questions 24/7, guide the user towards the right product or service, for example, and then on the back end for customer service and support. So appreciate you guys all following. Please follow and ask your AI questions. We will answer them. I have 10 minutes left before I jump on a one-on-one call with one of my AI community members. There's a free 7-day trial. It's at simpletechskills.com. So you can start learning AI for free. Link is in the bio. Welcome. So let's see. We got chatbot. Wait, there's one question. Okay, Noah, sorry, I'm not missing on Noah. Noah says, is there any AI tool that will analyze a sales call recording or transcript? Yes, ChatGPT is actually going to be the best one for that, because ChatGPT, one, you would create a custom GPT to pretty much upload information. It could be text, it could be other call scripts, for example, of what does a good sales call or script look like. So it has that reference. You can't just pop it into ChatGPT and say, hey, analyze it and tell me what is it good. It has no reference of good. So that's where you're going to $20 a month, ChatGPT, build a custom GPT, upload a base of what like a transcript. It could be a PDF document, honestly, super easy, of what does a good sales call look like. Did it hit are there certain questions it's supposed to ask to make sure? Then in that custom GPT, now you can spin up a new conversation, and then you can add either an audio. I don't think you can add audio. I may be mistaken, but yeah, on the Plus plan, you can add audio recordings as well too. You can also open the voice feature as far as ChatGPT, hit the voice option, say, hey, I want you to analyze this sales call, hit play, and then have it listen, and then it will listen, transcribe, and then answer. You could do that as well too, or easier, honestly, is better to upload a transcript. You could upload a PDF document of a transcript. It's going to use that custom GPT knowledge to then know what good actually looks like for your specific business. And then you could also structure it to say, hey, I want you to give me feedback on the tone. Did they say the right KPIs or questions? Did they handle objections correctly? These are the common objections that we're getting, for example. So it's really just training custom GPT to basically know what's good enough so that you can upload for sales, to basically help your sales reps, which is really good. Super, super awesome. Going through all your questions. Med says hello. Hello, Mez. Good to see everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are. I will be back live again today for 2 hours at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you missed this, it's going to be recorded. But again, I invite you back. I go live every single day at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. To do the same thing. You ask your AI questions. I'll show you how to take advantage of AI for your work and your business. Appreciate all the follows. If you follow, I will answer your AI question. Laser says, I'm trying to monetize an AI resume builder that takes resumes and gives you feedback. So here's when we teach the digital marketing course. Great question, Laser. Space Creations. That's also a cool username as well too. So here's the more marketing principle that before you even do AI and start a product. Well, actually, it's a sales topic. In sales, there are 3 sales metrics that need to be a yes in order for you to sell. Number 1, do they have access to the funds? For example, if you may be speaking with the customer and they may need to talk with their spouse, or they may need to, for example, like if they're a business, like talk with their business owner, for example. So do they have access to the funds is number one. And do they have, well, and then second is do they actually have the disposable income to afford your product or service? The unfortunate thing, if you're selling something AI resume building related, those types of people do not have a job or are looking for a job. So I'm going to tell you that they don't have the disposable income to pay for your AI resume builder. You want to target customers that have disposable income, that have the pain point that they're like, I need to get this solved. Like, for example, my AI community is for people that want to learn AI today, or if they don't learn AI today, they risk getting replaced immediately. They won't their job's going to, like, they'll get fired from the job. They won't be able to grow their business because the competitors are using AI, and they have no marketable skills because now companies and businesses are looking for people that have AI skills, which you can get all your AI skills at simpletechskills.com. Nice segue. That's dope. So yes, unfortunately, you're using AI to build a resume builder and you're trying to monetize it. It's not the tool. It's a great idea, but the problem comes down to sales. You need to target customers that have the disposable income. For example, like like the people who join my AI community are mostly entrepreneurs and business owners, so they can afford. I mean, at the end of the day, the course is like $49, so it's like it's not even that much. So great question, Laser. I hope that helps. We go into digital marketing inside the course a lot more. So great question there. Austin says, what's the best AI tools to create or post social media posts each day for multiple social media accounts? Mostly social media accounts, ideally one tool. I'm going to give you two tools. One's DIY and one is done for you. The DIY approach is using make.com with Airtable or ClickUp as the database, which you can have multiple content, also for multiple clients. In that all the content is scheduled, everything. You can use Notion, ClickUp, Airtable. Then you're going to use make.com to automatically post, and then you could post for different social media accounts. That's right there. That's the DIY approach. The done for you approach is called Blotato. 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 Blotato is an all-in-one AI social media content. It both creates content and also schedules the content to be posted. And on their $29 per month plan, you get to post to 20 social media accounts. So welcome, follow. And then Austin, on Sunday, we're going to release a course on how to use Blotato. We already have a course on make.com that shows you how to automate your social media content. Actually, we had one student graduate. He took the course, finished it in the week, and now he's automating all his social media content using make.com and Google Sheets. Real nice. Black Vision says, what's the best AI app to create video content in bulk? That's going to be KLI. Well, it depends if you want an influencer or not. If you want an influencer, like someone that's actually talking about something as your content in bulk, HeyGen. HeyGen is going to be the number one tool. Austin says, thank you. Appreciate it. And so if you need someone talking on camera for your content, that's going to be HeyGen. I've got 2 minutes, actually last questions. I'm going to be back again at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and do the same thing for 2 hours. So don't worry, I can see you guys later then. And so for that, HeyGen, highly recommend. You're going to be basically on their $89 per month plan if you want to create 30-minute piece of content. If it's 5 minutes, their price is like $25. Highly recommend. If you need like B-roll, that's KLING, 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 or Halu, for example. What are you using to go live? I use Streamlabs to go live, and then I'm streaming on TikTok and YouTube. Awesome. That's all the questions. Please follow the channel so that you guys can stay up to date with AI. I go live every single day at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to do the same thing, answer your AI questions so you can take full advantage. And if you want to take the next step, join the AI community at simpletechskills.com. We have a free 7-day trial. You get access to all the courses, the entire community, plus a 30-minute one-on-one with me so that I can understand what are your AI goals, so show you how to take full advantage of AI. So Cool. That was fast. Now I got to jump on a one-on-one call with one of our AI members. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you back for the live again every day, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You won't get notifications through the app. You just have to go to my profile at that time and you'll see me live.